Welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. This is CJ Jenkins. Today we bring you a 2020 Grady-White 180 Fisherman. Great fishing machine. Just pay attention here to the stainless steel rub rail, stainless steel cleats, grab handles throughout. Grady really pays attention to detail on their vessels. Stainless rod holders placed there for your instrumentation. Stainless steering wheel, rocker switches, also a little storage inside of the driver's helm. Up front at the bow area, there's a cushion and also a live well that could dub for cooler. Leaning post for the seat, you can also adjust that forward and aft. Jump seats here in the back on both sides of the 150 horsepower Yamaha. Has cup holders there. Also the tow railing, your nav light, raised Grady-White lettering, swim platform with the long ladder. Again, the 150 horsepower Yamaha. Just a great vessel. Please come down to MarineMax Gulf Shores and see us on this vessel or any others. You can reach us at 251-981-1113. Thank you.